V tej predstavi sem 60, tudi v resnici sem 60 in nastopam, tako da se obrnem malo bolj proti tej sceni. Tole je trenutno moje delo, v katerem pa zelo uživam. Hvala.
He asked me to say how do I feel, and I would say great.
Hello, my name is Vida, and I've been the mother of the aliens for many years. Now I don't travel with them anymore because they are grown up, but after a long time I've been in action with them. I mean, I've seen them performing, and it was lovely to see that I think they radiate even more love these days. They are slower, they're not that sharp anymore. So it's nice to see a performance almost 20 years old, how it evolves, and it's different, and it's not possible to say better or worse, but they're not teenagers anymore, and they're also much self-sufficient. So I was very touched and happy to see it, and I've seen people also. There was a girl after the performance that came after me, and she said she was gloomy and in a bad mood, but she's seen these pink creatures on the street and she was laughing. She wanted to know if this is art or what is it. So people are wondering, and it creates some positive, playful atmosphere. Even more playful and relaxed, less tensions, like in the past, and lovely. Yes, I've been very happy. Thank you.